COUNTIFS function is used to count the number of cells that meet one or more criteria. Assuming we want to find the number of customers from Amsterdam with the age 31. The first criteria is that they are from Amsterdam, and the second criteria is that their age is 31. We start with our COUNTIFS function. Let's look at the syntax. We have the parameter criteria range. So our first criteria is the city, Amsterdam. So we select the range within the city column. We have our comma. The second parameter is the criteria. What do we want to test for? We are testing for the city of Amsterdam. We select that from the cell Amsterdam. Normally, if we close the parentheses and enter, it's going to give us the number of customers from Amsterdam, which is 5. But that's not what we want. We want the customers from Amsterdam, but with the age of 31, which is the second criteria. We have our comma, the second criteria range, which is within the age column. We have our comma, we want the age of 31. We select the cell, and now when we enter, we have 2 customers from Amsterdam with the age 31. Let's choose another city. Let's say Toronto, and let's say the age of that. Right now it says 0 because we don't have any customer from Toronto with the age of 31. But let's say we change the age to 39 and enter. We get the value of 1, which means we only have 1 customer from Toronto with the age 39.